everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to import Google Contacts to iPhone. So let's get started. First, go to the google.com in your iPhone and sign in to Google if necessary. Then open the Google Contact app from the 9-dot menu on the top right of the page. Now from the Google Contact website, select Export. Choose vCard for iOS contacts from the pop-up window and select Export. Now open the Contacts app on your Mac. From the menu bar, select File and choose Import. Select the vCard file downloaded from the Google Contacts website and choose Open. Your Google Contacts will download to your Mac Contacts app, which will sync with iCloud. So if you don't have a Mac, then simply open the Settings app on your iPhone, select Mail, choose Account, select Add Account and choose Google from the list. Follow the on-screen prompts and enter your Google account login credentials. Also make sure Contacts is toggled on inside the Google account. Whichever method for syncing contact you use, one thing you should definitely do is create backups of your iPhone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.